Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable text messages notification app icon badges on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the Messages app. In Messages, tap on the Option key at the top. From the pop-up menu, choose Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Notifications, and then we're going to tap on the App Icon Badges toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. Once it is turned on, if you receive any notifications, it will show in an orange dot on the top corner right here. And that's it. Finally, you can just tap on the home button to return back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.